What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about fattening your niche. Now if you're new to low content book publishing and you don't know where to start, then check out our course in the description below, Printing Profits. This is going to take you step by step on everything you need to do to start a low content book publishing business. So go through and check that out. So fattening your niches in low content books. What the hell am I on about? Well, I'm going to explain that in a minute. But first, fattening your niches, this is what I have been doing for a while. Now, I didn't realise that is what you call it, or that's what people call it within merch, fattening your niches. So what exactly does this mean? So let's head on over to Amazon. Now I'm just going to use these coffee notebooks as an example. But let's say you've created a bunch of different books and you have sold, by looking at your reports, a coffee notebook. Now all you essentially do is go and make more coffee notebooks, fattening your niche, because by looking at your reports you've seen that it's a proven seller for you, there's interest in this, so go and fatten that niche by creating more unique designs in that niche. So coffee example again, you've sold this book, or let's say this one, by looking at your reports. So you can use a very similar title and exactly the same keywords, but a completely different design. So you don't want to use exactly the same design, you don't want to use the same phrase, you don't want to do anything like that. You want to create a completely unique new design for that niche. And this is essentially just fattening your niche, and that is it. Very simple. Now I'm going to show you how you can find your previous day sellers or your sellers for that month. Now bear in mind as well, this is only going to work if you already made books in a bunch of different niches. I'm going to show you in a second how you can do that fairly quick as well to test a bunch of different niches. So how do we find our best sellers? Well, it's pretty simple. When you're in your KDP back office, you can come to month to date. Then we can change ebook to book or paperback, and this is going to bring up all the books that you have sold in this month, just here, current month. And now we can also filter this by how many units sold. So if we go here, we can see our best sellers for the month, and then we can make more books in that niche. It's a proven seller. If it's a good one, you've sold multiple copies. I've sold 388 copies of this one. There's a really good seller this month. That's a good seller. This is a good seller. So I could look at these niches, see what they are, and try and make more unique designs in that niche, fattening that niche. Now another way you can go around this is go to your KDP beta reports, and then all you have to do is filter this down to 1 day. You can do the previous day, which you do just here. So we could go to February, then we could choose one of these, have a look for 1 day, and that way you can filter down what was the best sellers for that day, look at them, look at the niches, and create more designs in that niche, fattening that niche. Now if you don't have many books in a bunch of different niches, then don't worry, because I'm going to show you an easy way to test a bunch of different niches using Scalable Designs. Now I talk about this in my course Printing Profits. Again, if you're interested in that, you can check the link down in the description below, and that will take you straight through. So this is a scalable design. Now I'm not telling you to go and use this one, but there's lots of different phrases that are actually scalable designs. So what do I mean about this? Well, this one, this is just a girl who loves pugs. So you could do a design like this, and then all you have to do once you've created the design is switch out pugs, take out the image and put in football, dogs, cats, soccer, basketball, volleyball. This is a scalable design because all you have to do is change out a couple of things and bam, you have a new one. So this means you can create covers really quickly, do this design, bunch of different niches, and then once you've sold a book in that niche, you can go and start fattening that niche. Very, very simple. This is what I have been doing for a while and it's working really well for me. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.